So if you want to use Canon cameras as webcam for doing live streaming or simply record videos like these, then there are actually two ways to do it. One is by using capture card, where you will need to buy a separate hardware, something like this. It is an HDMI to Type-C capture card, and these are available on Amazon for quite cheap. You don't have to go for the expensive ones that are from Elgato or other top brands. Something as cheap as Tobo video capture card will do the job. This is available on Amazon for ₹1000, which is around $15 to $20. If your digital camera has got a mini HDMI or micro HDMI, you just need a converter to convert that into HDMI. Then you can use the HDMI cable, connect it to your smartphone, and then you have to connect the other end of the HDMI cable to this device, and this goes into your laptop. And after that, you can use any application where webcam is supported. Your digital camera will be recognized as a web camera. Despite the web camera on my 16-inch MacBook Pro, the best of the best, I mean it's Full HD, it is still not as good as 750D as a web camera on my MacBook Pro. And the other way is to use software provided by Canon on their official website. You can download it from their website by searching for your camera model. For example, I am using Canon 750D, so I'm using Canon Utility 3 for this camera. Good thing about this system is that you don't need to buy anything extra, maybe a cable. If you don't have it, mine is mini USB to USB type A. The capture hardware is actually used for any type of camera as long as it has got HDMI output, but mostly all the camera companies offer software. Even Sony camera offers software for using their cameras as webcam. I have Sony ZV-1 and I also use their software for using it as a webcam. The only downside is it only offers 720p resolution, which is okay for Skype calls and Zoom meetings. But if you want to live stream yourself on YouTube, you might want to have the highest output, especially when your camera is capable of 4K recording. Then you should go for capture cards. And like I said, the cheaper ones will also do the job. Link to the product that I'm using will be in the description of this video. So that's about it in this video. You can read more articles on our website, techtiper.com, to make your tech life easy, and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch videos to make your tech life easy. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.